Good morning, guys. This is our 150 capacitor job machine. One of the is running with two compressors, two pairs of three compressors. This particular compressor is having blockage. So if you on the compressor, it will ice. After ice, it will freeze, and it will freeze. It will never get any ice again. The compressor will start getting hot, and the compressor inside this machine need to say, please, this is a loaded compressor and it's having blockage. The blockage is causing the system to get heat and get heated. And now this is what we are about to fix. We are about to fix the heating and the blockage. We want to trace where the blockage is coming from that's making the gas not to return. After we have finished tracing, then we couple it back, we service it, couple it back, then we will start working back again. Thank you guys. Fill me up.